Alright guys, so here's a cold start and a little walk around video of a 1998 Chevy Silverado Z71. While we're in here, I'll go and show the four-wheel drive cycling. So it's in two-wheel right now, 4 high, throw it neutral, 4 low, gauges like no problems. Everything works there. As far as the body goes, it was painted about 5 years ago. It's been used as a truck though, and it shows. There's a few rock chips here and there, especially on like the rockers. And then there's a handful of scratches, like small surface scratches, but the majority of those can come out with a good wax and a buff. Interior's fairly clean for a 20-year-old truck. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know.